Next up, we're going to look at the record video Python script. So we're just going to open that in the Python IDE. When it comes up, we're going to take a quick code review. Essentially, what we're doing here is we are going to record video and we're going to save that actually to a video file that we can later play back. So this is really handy in the case where you want to record a certain period of video programmatically, perhaps based on an event. So let's say you have detected motion from a sensor and you want to record video of whatever triggered the sensor. You could turn on your PyCamera module, you can record that video and you can save it to a file and you can review that later on. So this is where this functionality would be useful. So in taking a look at the code, of course, we first import the PyCamera library and then the time library. And after that, we first instantiate the PyCamera object and we save it in the camera variable. Then we do a start preview and we call the start_recording method. And here's where we specify a path to where we want to store that video that's being recorded. And here we're going to store it in the downloads photos and we're going to name the file video.h264. We're going to sleep for 10 seconds and what that is, it's actually going to record 10 seconds of video for us. Then we are going to stop the recording and stop preview, which basically shuts down the camera. So that's what we're going to do. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when we execute this script. So let's go ahead and click on the green arrow here to run the script. And when we're running, the video is going to start recording, PyCamera module turned on. Remember, we're going to save or record 10 seconds of video and we're going to save that video in the downloads photos folder and we call it video.h264. So that's where that's going to be saved. Now that the video has finished recording, let's go ahead and play that video back. So I'm going to just stop the script here from executing, and to play this back, we're actually going to use the OMX player, which is a player that is installed on Raspberry Pi. It should come preloaded once you have upgraded your system. So let's go ahead and open up a terminal session here. And we're going to type in OMX player. And now we specify the path to where we saved our video file. So I'm going to just do a ~/downloads. Remember, that gets us to the /home/py folder downloads. We're going to go into photos and the name of it is video. And if you just type in V and tab, it's going to autocomplete for us. That's the name of the file. And I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it plays back the recording that we did. It was pretty quick. It just went through. Actually, I think it was playing at twice the speed. So that was the video that we saved, that video file. And if you go to the, let's navigate back up here to the photos folder, here you'll see that video.h264, that's the video file that we created. So this is very handy and you can use your Raspberry Pi camera module to record video and you can programmatically do so from Python. So that's a very cool, handy feature.